Hey everyone, Darwin here. Welcome back to the Toadiwee Workshop. Just up for a day at Spryberry Farm, and there's been some snow. So Scott's got to do a little bit of plowing. We want to get up to the lumber shed, so he's going to plow our route up there. This feels like a bit of a play day, Spryberry Farm. Don't have a project. Scott had a couple of things we could do. Was going to try and set up a meteorological station, an antenna, but I think we're going to run out of daylight for that. So he's got to tag some trees for the power line, and I think that's the last job before we head out. Delivered a lot of hams for him today, so he was giving some gifts to the neighbors. So there's probably over a foot of snow, even in the woods here. And Scott's marking the line up here. Don't know if you can see the pink ribbons. I'm gonna make my way over there. Getting through the trees, although it's a little easier to see this time because there are no leaves. I made it. Out into the open.